Hello everyone. Myself, Assistant Professor Suresh Wagmare. On behalf of Dr. D.Y. Patil College of Education, Pimpri, I welcome you all in this B.Ed CET orientation. So today, I am going to explain you what is the structure of this B.Ed CET. So let's see with that topics. So now you will appear for the common entrance test, that is CET 2021-22. Then we will see the nature. First we will see the nature of this CET. So this CET comprises of the three sections, and these sections are: first one is the mental ability. 40 marks questions will be asked on the mental ability. Then the second section is the teacher aptitude. 30 marks questions will be based on the teacher aptitude. Then next one, it is the general knowledge, that is 30 marks will be given for the general knowledge. Then each section there will be a objective type multiple choice questions. So you are required to answer all 100 questions in total time, that is time given for this CET is a 19 minutes. So 1.5 hours you have to attempt all the 100 questions. And the mode of CET, as earlier we have told that the mode of CET, it is the online. So this is the nature of this CET. Then let's see first section, that is the mental ability, where 40 questions will be asked on this mental ability. So this section will contain questions based on, so the first it is series, then the syllogism, then the coding, decoding, relationship, analogies, classifications, problems on dias, etc. So you have to uh, solve the problems which are based on all above topics. Then the second section, that is the general knowledge, where the 30 questions will be asked on this general knowledge. So this is the test to see how well you are acquainted with the happenings in the surroundings at local, national, international level, including past events, current affairs, and science and technology, history, geography, civics, political science, literature, and education in general. So questions will be asked on this topic. So you have to see the topics which are related to current affairs, then the history, geography, science and technology, etc. Then our third topic, it is the teacher aptitude, where the 30 mark questions will be asked on this teacher aptitude. So what they have expect in this teacher aptitude, so this test aims to know your capacity to become a teacher. Now after clarifying or after qualifying that CET exam, you will enroll in the first year of B.Ed course. So to become a teacher, which qualities you must have, that will be included in this teacher aptitude. So it will contain the questions related to your keenness to update your knowledge, leadership qualities, awareness about the changes in education and society, communication and professional commitment, etc. So these are the three sections where the questions will be asked. So first we will see the questions which are based on the mental ability. So what they are expecting in this mental ability. So here a problem is presented in the form of three figures. Three figures will be given on the left hand side. In the same order, you have to decide which figure will be there in the empty box in the place of the question mark. So you have to identify which figure will be occur in that empty place. Then the syllogism. So here questions are like that. Some women are a teacher. No teacher is a graduate. Then no women are graduate. No graduate is a woman. Some women are not graduate. No teacher are women. So here you can even use the Venn diagrams to solve these examples or to solve these problems. Then the second question, it is all books are boxes. Some boxes are tables. All books are boxes, all tables are books. Then some books are not boxes, some books are tables. So here you have to identify the correct option. Then this next one, it is the coding and decoding. So questions will be like that. in a certain code, mother is written as 162534 and FAME is written as 9813. Then how is farmer is written in the code? So here you can write all the alphabets and you can give the numbering. Means these tricks you can use while solving the questions which are based on this coding and decoding. Then your options are given like 984134. So by comparing above question, you have to identify the correct answer of this question. So for that, I have told you that you can write the numbers to that alphabets, and then by choosing the place, you can identify the correct option from this given option. Then the next, which is a relationship, and the questions will be asked like A is the brother of B, B is the brother of C, C is the husband of D, and E is the father of A. How is D related to E? So here you have to find out the relationship, and the options are wife, daughter, daughter-in-law, and sister. So here you have to identify the correct relationship among them. So they will ask the questions like that. These are the only sample questions. Then the analogy. So here first question, it is given that the pilot, it is related to the plane. Then you have to identify the correct pair from below. That is, lawyer is related to the court, captain is related to ship, tractor is related to farmer, and actor is related to the stage. So here you have to, means like pilot is related to plane, you have to identify the correct pair from given options. Then the question to India is related to rupee. Likewise, England is related to. So here you can identify the currency of the England. So options are dollar, pound, rebel, and N. So here you can find out the correct option. Then the next one, it is the problems on dice. So a dice, the dice, you know that a dice has a 6 faces. On each face, one number is written. The same dice will be shown to you in the different positions. After observing this, you have to find the number opposite to a given number on the dice. Means once we throw the dice, which number will occur on that set side. So that you have to identify. Then the next topic is the teacher aptitude. Here update it, that will update the knowledge. So questions will be asked like that: how do you spend your leisure time? Means to become a teacher, it's that questions are based on this teacher aptitude to leadership or to become a teacher. What qualities you must have? So question is, how do you spend your leisure time? And your options are most of the time viewing movies on TV, playing cards, reading books, doing nothing in a specific. So you have to identify the correct option from this given option. Then the next topic, which is related to the leadership quality, that is, suppose you are a teacher, which activity will you prepare to undertake? So your options are becoming a member of environmental club, carrying out the programs as decided by school authorities, organizing a survey study, or helping the headmaster to prepare rules to operate the student welfare fund. So to uh, become or which activity, appropriate activity you can take related to uh, that you have to identify. Then the next topic, it is related to the awareness toward the changes in education and society. And the questions will be asked like, in which of the following activities have you participated? So I read newspaper almost every day. I listen to the radio news almost every day. I attend to the TV news almost every day, or because of busy schedule, I don't get time for any of the above thing. So as a teacher, among these activities, or in which activity you can participate, so that you have to identify. Then the next topic, which is a communication, where in which questions will be asked like that, in which of the following activities have you participated? So to improve this communication, the activities are given: organizing sport competitions, writing in college magazine, attending the elocution competitions, or participating in field trips. So by carefully reading the questions, you have to answer this. Then interest in the teaching profession. The questions will be like, I decided to become a teacher because my parents are teacher. I like to be a teacher. I did not get any other job and I can make money through private tuition. So here you can share your opinion. My parents are teacher. I like to be a teacher. I did not get any other job and I can make money through the private tuition. So the correct option for this, it is I like to be a teacher. Then the next one, it is the professional commitment. And the questions will be asked like, suppose you are a teacher and you come across a fellow teacher who is violating the professional ethics for a teacher, then you will, what you will do for in that case. So convince and the persuade the concerned teacher to follow the ethics, inform the headmaster or criticize him in front of other teachers, or you will ignore that. So as a teacher, what action you will take, that you have to check. So here you can see the correct, here you can select the correct option. Then the next section, it is the general knowledge, where questions will be asked on that we have seen that the questions will be asked on the science and technology, current affairs, or past and or history. So that you can consider, and you can read books which are related to the general knowledge. So here I have given two questions. Which city is called the Queen of Arabian Sea? And the options are Mumbai, Cochin, Porbandar, and Panambur. So here you can see the correct answer is the Mumbai. Then second question, the statistical tables can be generally generated on MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Paint. That this question is related to the technology. So here correct option is a Excel. So these are the few sample questions. So similar questions you can read. So all this about the today's CET, BEd CET orientation. Thank you.